Hello guys, in this video I will try just to make sure you understand that buying on momentum is a crucial thing in the success of any trade. That means that most of the beginners, they have a problem with when to buy. When to buy, it means when you see any chart and you want to enter, like to buy at any price, there should be some criteria that you should use, or what we call a signal, in order to enter at that precise momentum, which is the price. Now, in general, there are two main it means points where you can buy, which is what we call resistance line and support line, and this is what I generally teach in my training. Now, when you see a chart, most of the beginners, they want to buy from the bottom. It means the bottom they see in the long trend, and they point to sell at the highest point. Okay, this is the trend. But this is, I'm not saying it is impossible. It is possible if you, for example, take my training, which is training level 13, how to buy from the support line. It's possible, but the problem, it is difficult. It's difficult. You need to work hard. Okay, you can't do that in 1 week or two. You should need months or 1 year or two in order to try, because you will do a lot of attempts and you should exit. Because, for example, let's say the stock has been going down for 2 months or 3 months or 6 months, and then it begins to go up. Okay, so whenever you buy, you should put a stop loss where if it goes down to that line, you should exit the trade, because it doesn't work anymore. Okay, because if the stock has been going down for 2 months or 3 or 6 months or 1 year, and then you buy, you think it's the support line, and you buy, and then maybe 1 day or two it goes up, then it goes down, then you begin to see a loss. Okay, in that situation you should exit. There is nothing to do, because it can continue 1 month or 2 or 3 going down and down and down, especially when the company has problems. And that's why the mutual fund are selling off. But since they can sell off on 1 day, they wait for many months to exit this bad trade or bad stock in order to buy another one. So, but when the stock is going up into an uptrend, most of the beginners, they get scared. Okay, they say, for example, why should I buy at this price? It looks like the stock will go down. And this is, they become scared, although it's the opposite. It's the opposite. When the stock is going up, it is more successful to make money than when the stock is going down and then it stops in support line and it goes up again. You will see. So always beginners, they have this opposite idea. Okay, opposite idea of what any professional trader do, or someone who has experience. When the stock is going down, that means that mutual funds are selling. They sell in 1 month or 2 or 6 months or 1 year, depending on how big is the stock. That's why you see stocks going down for a long time, and they continue going long. Sometimes they go up for few days or few weeks, and they continue going the trend, the big trend. because the company is not doing that much, and it has a little earnings. That's why it has problems. And when the mutual funds, they want to get rid of a stock or a company, they begin to sell bit by bit until maybe the company goes to bankrupt, and then you don't find it in your account if you buy this kind of stocks. So momentum is to know exactly when you buy, and this is to get a signal, and this is what I teach. But it doesn't mean that whenever you search for this kind of stocks and you select one or two or three, it means that it is 100% sure. There is no sure in the market. So it is an attempt by a signal. If it just the next day it goes up, that means that you are right and you should stay and make money from that. Okay? That's why for you guys, if you are interested to how to search for stocks, how to select these stocks on time, you can use my subscription, which is just for 1 month or 2 or 3 until you get the information. Because for me, my subscription, it is not to stay long. You can stay 1 month or 2 or 3 just to know how I search stocks, how I select them, and then you can do by your own. Because for me, I want you to be an independent trader. You don't depend on me. I just teach you, you will be good, and that's it. This is my job. It's just to make independent traders who understand what they are doing, and they understand when to buy and when to follow the stock and when to sell. And all these are in my training levels by video or by videos or by ebook, as you like. Okay? So please, if you have some questions, or even if you have ordered 1 or 2 from my training levels, if you have questions, don't hesitate to send me emails and to share with me if you find any problem. Although most of my training levels are direct, simple, and easy to use. Okay, just the first days you check, you begin to do what I ask you to do. Okay, so thank you very much, and please subscribe to my channel and share it. Thank you very much.